Hello friend, we have seen this type of cars used by politician and the government officer in many movies. If you see the old movie, there are these types of car used by the government officers. So this car is a ambassador car and it is a Make in India car, and this car is known as a national car of India, and this car is a favorite choice of Indian politician and the government officer. In this video, we will discuss some amazing fact about the Hindustan Ambassador. Okay, so let's start the video. The first fact is it is Make in India car. So in 1957, Hindustan Motor started the production of Ambassador. So at that time, it was the only passenger car produced in the India. And after the Hindustan Motor, Maruti Suzuki started the operation in 1983. The second fact is it is the longest production car in the India. So the Hindustan Ambassador remains in the production till 2014. So the production is started in 1957 till 2014. So the complete production span is 57 years. So it is the longest production car of the country. And if you see the second closest car that comes to the Ambassador in terms of longest production, it is a Maruti Omni, which is 30 year span of the production. The fact number 3 is that it is a British origin car. Okay, so the Ambassador is based on the Morris Oxford Series 3 model, and that was manufactured in UK. So the Hindustan Motor gained the license to produce the Ambassador in the India in 1957. Okay, and after gaining the license in 1954, the company finally rolled out the first unit of Made in India Ambassador in 1957. The chassis used in the Hindustan Ambassador is the monocoque chassis, and it is remain the only car with the monocoque chassis for a long time. And the monocoque chassis made car very spacious from the inside, and it gives the huge leg space for the rear. And its roomy interior of the Ambassador made a popular choice among the cab driver, and it also became the first car to be powered by the diesel engine at that time. The Ambassador won the title of Best Taxi in the World. So in a series of tests held by the television show Top Gear on the BCC, the Ambassador won the title of Best Taxi in the World. So Ambassador comes in the different variant like a station wagon, pickup truck and the goods carrier. And the car was also launched as a pickup truck also, and it is known as a Porter. And in its latest iteration, Hindustan Motor launches the Weir pickup truck in 2011. Government brought the majority of shares of the Ambassador car. So the Ambassador were used as the only vehicle to transport the government servant at one period of time, because the car strongly body and the spacious cabin. And during the lifetime of the Ambassador, the Indian government brought the 16% of total unit produced by the company. And if you see the 16% of the total units produced by the company, it is a huge number. Now Hindustan Motor Factory in Uttarpara, West Bengal is the Asia's second oldest factory. So friend, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you want to spread the valuable information with your colleague or with your friend,